Indonesia Arrival Card. Yes, you heard that right. After Thailand and Malaysia, Indonesia too has made it mandatory to complete your arrival card online before traveling. Starting 1st September 2025, all incoming passengers, including Indonesian citizens, are required to fill this form. Welcome to We the Travelers, where we bring you unfiltered travel information. Today, I will guide you step by step through Indonesia's digital arrival card. To submit your arrival card, visit Indonesia's official arrival card website. I'll add the website link in the description. You can see two options for filling the form, one for Indonesian citizens and the other for foreign visitors. Select one depending on your nationality. Fill in your personal data. You can even choose to scan your passport for the data to auto-populate. Enter your contact information. You can choose to add multiple travelers here. I will be skipping it and going to the next page. Enter all your travel details. Here you can fill out the visa details as well. Just note that this is an arrival card. You will also need a visa to visit Indonesia. I have a separate video on how to apply for Indonesia's e-visa which you can check out. I'll add a link in the description. Click next and go to the next page. Here enter all the information related to your modes of transport along with your accommodation details. Go to final page where you need to provide a health declaration. Also provide custom declaration on the same page. Once the details are filled, click the submit button and you will get your arrival card. You can print or download this arrival card, which will be checked during your immigration. You can also retrieve your arrival card later on by going to the website and selecting Retrieve Arrival Card option. Enter your personal details and retrieve your arrival card. And that's everything you need to know about Indonesia's new digital arrival card. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I would be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to We the Travelers for more unfiltered travel information. See you in the next one.